Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys a video of how to put this into here. So first thing I'm going to do is take a little of this and I'm going to spray a little bit right here. This will make it go in easily or slide in easily or something like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy here and I'm going to slip this in just like this. Like that. And now I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to slip this. You can see right here. I just got my 12-volt drill because I'm going to tighten that one done. I'm going to put this guy like that, and that looks like that, which looks great. However, you're going to find that noise. Got an airplane in the sky, so in case that noise was in the background, it's an airplane in the sky. Now what I'm going to do is take this clamp right here, I move this here, move this other one to right there, and now, nope. Take this guy here, 5/16, and I'm going to tighten this down like that, and this one so that it will go in like so. And let's see, and it should just go right in. There we go. We gotta take this guy out. I think there's something wrong. See this little piece here? That's making it not going flat. So let me see what I have in there. Clamp. If I can place that sideways. Okay, so I see, look how that's like that. So that these, and I'll show you how I put these in. See how this just goes like that, and you tighten it. Go like that, and then loosen it. You just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is put this guy in here. I just make this so it's not super loose. And this guy, and it's a little difficult. There we go, got it. And now what you do is I like to hold this here, and then see how that goes like that, like that. Give it a test. Awesome. So as you can see, this is how I do this guy by using this right here. And then I got my WD-40 right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video of today. This is video of number 3 I made. If you haven't seen my other videos I posted on YouTube recently, check them out. And the name of my YouTube channel is Radical Pipes. Repeat that, Radical Pipes. And I got a video I posted earlier of my shaving video and a video of vacuuming my floor. Check those out if you haven't. And this is video number 3. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.